everyone, I am Michelle Lijo from Mar Gregorius Sunday School, Baroda, studying in class 7. I am here to speak a few lines on what is considered as a sin. How to know you are doing the right thing could be a confusing journey. In the context of James chapter 4, verse 17, it says, "If anyone then knows the good they ought to do, doesn't do it, it is sin for them." The words before John chapter 4, verse 17, talk about putting off until tomorrow the good that we can do today. And the words after verse 17 talk about people in places of influence and power that take advantage of others by what they do and don't do. Starting with a simple definition, sin is the bad stuff we do that makes God sad and separates us from Him, often hurting us and other people. See Isaiah chapter 59, verse 1 to 2. Some examples of sins in children are bullying, fighting, lying, not honoring or obeying parents and elders, stealing, using foul language or unkind words, teasing or mocking others. In the poetry by John Donne, a hymn to God the Father, it goes as, "Will thou forgive that sin where I begun, which was my sin, though it were done before? Will thou forgive that sin through which I run, and do run still, though still I do deplore? When thou hast done, thou hast not done, for I have more." In this poem, the poet asked God to forgive the sins that he has committed, the sins he has done in the past, present, and may commit in future. John chapter 1, verse 8, "If we claim to be without sin, we deceive ourselves and the truth is not in us." Proverbs chapter 28, verse 13, "People who conceal their sins will not prosper, but if they confess and turn from them, they will receive mercy." Let us be aware that because of the life, death, and resurrection of Jesus, we are forgiven of our many sins. Within this forgiveness is also an invitation to lean on the Holy Spirit to do what is right at all times. An awareness like this can be all that we need to connect with God in our Lenten journeys. To sum it all up, I conclude stating that Lent isn't simply a countdown or something to get through. It is a chance to set aside our distractions and focus on our relationship with the Lord. Thank you.